ये सॉफ्ट है।
बहुत अच्छा लगता है। स्माइल।
जानवी यहाँ पे,
मैडम यहाँ पर,
जानवी मैम सामने देखिए,
मैडम यहाँ पर देखो,
सेंटर में, यो।
यहाँ पर देखो।
जब आप जाने वाली हैं
मैम शिवा को फोटो चाहिए आपके साथ।
फोटो चाहिए।
So excited to have this Indian icon join us today. She's known for her stellar performances that are not just like heartwarming and enduring and authentic and real, but also the fact that she gets into the skin of the character and becomes the character she's playing, whether it's Millie, Parthavi, or Gunjan Saxena. She's known for her ability to present her authentic self to her fans. Think of her fun, quirky videos on social media that we all love, or her fantastic dance moves with international singing sensations that goes much more viral than the show itself. She's also somebody who's revered for her sense of style, her charismatic personality. But you know what stands out to me the most is the fact that she has such a special, charming sort of a personality. She's just so simple, and there's so much grit, which has really helped her reach where she has in such a short span of time. I'm just so happy to invite on stage our newest host, our Indian icon, the gorgeous, the beautiful, the incredibly amazing Janvi Kapoor. Janvi, we welcome you to the Airbnb family. Please come and join us on stage. A huge round of applause for gorgeous Janvi Kapoor, please. Janvi, tell us a little bit about your journey as the newest Airbnb host.
Firstly, I'd like to say good afternoon to everyone and thank you so much for that lovely introduction. It feels great to be welcomed into the family with so much love and warmth. And I mean, who doesn't know Airbnb? We've all used it. It's such an iconic facility that's emerged in the past couple of years that we've all been privy to, that we've all used and enjoyed. And I think it's an honor to be a host, to share with so many people this property that means so much to me and my family. And I think to make good use of it, and it's in the hands of people that we trust so much, like Airbnb.
Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, can we just have a huge round of applause for Janvi? She's had a super busy schedule, but she made it just for us. So thank you, Janvi. I'm going to request you to join us for a fireside chat. I have some really fun questions for you. And Aman, can you also join us here, please? I want to make sure I ask you all the tough questions. So please. Thank you. Okay, so Janvi, it just is amazing to know about, how much you trust us with your home. But tell me, what can the guests expect when they come into this beautiful home of yours that we just saw?
I think a lot of warmth. I honestly feel like a lot of good energy. I think this house symbolizes such a special chapter in my mother's legacy, in all of our lives. It was one of her first major purchases once she started working, and her prized possession, really. And growing up, it was always like a theme in our lives that, okay, we're going to Chennai and we have a city house, but on the weekend we're going to VGP, and she loved the beach. So, yeah, what you can expect, I think, is very good energy. We've made a lot of special memories in that house. And an amazing view, access to the beach, and a nice place to just relax and be with yourself.
Fantastic. I can definitely vouch for the view. It's just so gorgeous. When we were shooting these videos there, of course, we didn't want to come out. And I was telling Janvi that it almost feels like it's our home because we just are made to feel so welcome. So thank you for making Airbnb part of your family. Aman, question to you. Tell me, how does it feel? We have the most gorgeous host ever sitting with us today. How does it feel to have Janvi join the family?
No, it's an amazing feeling for sure, right? As we know, and I kind of briefly mentioned this in my presentation as well, travel is increasingly led by millennials and Gen Z. And to have someone who is a massive style icon, a youth icon, and her stature in the industry based on her performance in the past, clearly brings a very authentic play in terms of this collaboration. And I'm super excited to have her be a host on the family, on the Airbnb platform, and also give guests across the world unprecedented access to something that is so well cherished and so close to her heart. I think these kind of experiences are unprecedented. Money cannot buy them. And I think this is what makes Airbnb special. And Janvi being a host on a platform is just even more special.
Thank you. That's so true. That's just so true. When we were sort of thinking about this and when we were in touch with Janvi and trying to figure this out, the fact that this house has never been seen before was something which got us so excited. And we're just so happy that now everybody around the world has seen it because we announced this last night in LA where Brian Chesky, our founder and CEO, spoke about it. So yeah, we're just very, very excited to have Janvi as one of the 11 icons whose names got revealed yesterday globally. Janvi, tell us, you love traveling. We see all the fun videos when you travel. Tell us a very fun travel memory of yours.
A very fun travel memory. So my dad had this thing. He said that before my kids get married, before my daughters get married, I want them to have traveled the world so that when they meet their husband doesn't feel the pressure to show them all of these wonderful places, and they can just tell them that, "Ha, Papa ne dikha liya mujhe. I've been everywhere because my father took me." So he really unhone ठान लिया था. So there was a phase in the middle where for 2 or 3 summers he would just make this very hectic itinerary, and it would give my mom a lot of anxiety because she just wanted to relax. And then she'd end up having a lot of fun, and we'd go to all of these eclectic places. Like, I think one of my most memorable trips was when we went to the Amalfi Coast, when we traveled around Italy. I think we drove actually from Switzerland to the south of France, and then we went around the Amalfi Coast because we took a flight to Italy, and it was us, this big Indian family, and we had like this van that could accommodate all of us. And when I say all of us, I mean also our cook and Ramu, who, I mean, technically is my dad's boy, but I think that he's my dad's best friend. And we had to travel with them because Papa doesn't go anywhere without mangoes from India and chilies from India. क्योंकि India के बाहर जो chilies मिलते हैं वो तीखे नहीं होते हैं, apparently, according to my father. So we were traveling in this big van, and I don't know if you go to Rome or Italy, the roads are they're very narrow. So this big giant Jeep was not fitting in half of the roads. And like when you go out in the evening, they like to come out of the restaurants, they're drinking on the streets, they're playing music, they're having a good time. And then in comes this big black Jeep where we're blasting South Indian music and having like theplas and parathas in the van. And we were supposed to drive from, I think it was Naples to Sorrento, but we put in Salerno on Google Maps. So we drove like 5 hours, I think, in the wrong direction. And I just have this visual because my dad was so flustered that we messed up, and mom was like, "How can you do this to me?" That we were trying to fill in petrol, and there was like a pillar, there was the petrol pump, and then there was a way for him to go towards the car. And for 5 minutes, he was trying to fit himself between the pillar and the petrol pump because he was so flustered, and we were just watching him like, "What are you doing? You can't fit." But yeah, I think that trip was very memorable.
That sounds like a lot of fun, and the South Indian in me feels fantastic about you blasting South Indian music.
Yeah, full like Roja and
Oh,
all of
nice.
these songs. In Italy,
Fantastic.
all of those Italians were quite scandalized.
I'm just imagining that side. Wow, fantastic. Aman, after that really fun story, I have a really, really fun question for you. I'm kidding. I'm just going to get serious with you. Tell us, how important is India for Airbnb?
Oh, very important. I think 1/6 of humanity is here, the biggest cohort of millennials and Gen Zs in the world. So clearly the next phase of growth for any platform, and specifically for Airbnb, is going to come from a country like India. And we are one of the fastest growing emerging markets for Airbnb, and that is showing a lot of confidence. In fact, some of the numbers that are presented today, 30% growth year over year, is a sign of growing confidence that Airbnb is becoming mainstream. And I think one of the key pieces for us is to tap into the cultural zeitgeist of any country. And from an India perspective, Bollywood is life. A lot of inspiration from a travel perspective comes from what people see in the movies. I grew up watching the amazing locales of Switzerland and always wanting to go there with my family. But so travel increasingly, especially for millennials, is very experiential. They want to be part of the world. They want to see the world. And I think they look up to their Bollywood stars, icons, as we call them. And I think this is very important development that India is one of the 11 global icons that were announced globally yesterday by Airbnb. And I'm super excited that we're just not going to stop there. New icons will be dropping into the Airbnb app, so people will be going to the app not just when they want to travel, but also to see what are some of the amazing, unique experiences that are coming, and many of them will be from India, hopefully in the future. So India is very, very important from a emerging market standpoint, and with this cohort of new travelers wanting to experience the world in the most authentic and true manner, I'm super excited in terms of what we are doing to create more awareness about the platform.
Thank you. It's going to be a busy, busy year ahead, clearly. I'm excited. I'm excited. I can see some of my favorite beauty content creators sitting there. So my next question is going to be for them, especially to Janvi. Janvi, you have gorgeous skin, beautiful hair. I know, as a part of the guest experience, we're also doing a session for our guests where you're going to tell them about your DIY skincare, hair care secrets. Tell us, what's your go-to skincare regime when you're traveling? Because that's usually when it gets hard. So tell us more about that.
It gets really hard, actually. I have another funny story for you guys, which is a testament to how crazy my skincare and hair care routine can get when I'm traveling. I was visiting my sister when she was studying in New York, and I have this habit where whatever fruits I get, whatever produce I get, I find a way to integrate it into my hair care or my skincare routine. And that day in the fridge, I think I found coconut milk, olive oil, a couple of eggs, and an avocado. And so it's a really disgusting story. So I blended it and I put it in my hair, and I found strawberries and yogurt, which is great for the skin, and I put it on my face. And I was having a great time. I was in her apartment, and I go to the bathroom. I woke up before her because I was jet lagged. I have my shower, and I didn't realize that I had a shower with such piping hot water that the egg cooked in my hair. And so there was like scrambled egg on the floor of the tub. And there were like chunks of strawberries everywhere. And I was like, whatever, like the price of beauty, I guess. And then I just went about my day, and then I was sitting outside and I was watching TV, and Khushi goes in the bathroom, and I hear this scream, like she has screamed, like I don't know what has happened, and she was like, get out of my apartment. You have made my bathroom like the back area of like some dirty restaurant. So yeah, that was the last time we shared a room. And but yeah, like I mean, right now I've just come from London, and it was very cold over there. And I think one thing that helps me a lot is I always wake up, I have a spoonful of ghee, and I don't know if you guys can tell, I've developed this rash on my elbows, and it's like, and my skin got very dry in the weather, so I just put like some ghee on it, and it's helping. So ghee to the rescue. Even on flights, actually, like when my lips get dry, I ask for butter and I put it on my lips.
Wow. Yeah, I mean, I truly believe ghee works after, of course, being so close to her and seeing that it's working for her. That's fantastic. So, Aman, tell us about your skincare tips. No, I'm joking. I'm joking.
Even your skin is glowing, by the way. in this
The light. But not just unique experiences, but unique recipes also coming now.
Absolutely coming our way. But I mean, I know we spoke about how excited we are to have Janvi sort of part of the family. Tell us also, from your perspective, what are you most excited? You've not been to the house yet, so you saw what everybody else saw here in the video. So tell us, like, what is the part of the home that you found most exciting and you think the guests are going to really enjoy?
Yeah, I think, and I'll go back to Airbnb. What makes an experience unique on Airbnb is three things, right? The host, the home, and the neighborhood. And I think when all of this three comes together, magic happens. And I think it's a beautiful house. We just saw that, one of the best coastal homes that I've ever seen in India. And I'm sure guests across the world are wanting to kind of book it as soon as possible. But I think what makes it even special are some of the memories that are inside the house and that people would get access to when they get welcomed by Janvi. Just understanding each corner may have a picture from their family book, and that picture would bring back more memories. So it's everything that's in the house that makes the experience much more magical. It's not about Janvi, the superstar there. It's about Janvi, the person. And I think that makes it extremely unique, and that's what is unprecedented access and unique access that people want to have, people want to know, people want to get inspired from. And I think this is a great opportunity for people to do that when they spend time with Janvi in the home. So it would lead to many conversations and hopefully a lot more inspiration for whosoever goes there to reach similar heights like you.
Wow, that's amazing. And that's so true. I think as much as I love Janvi, the actress and the Bollywood diva, it just is so amazing to interact with her as a family member and just get to know her. And I'm sure the guests who would get to go to her home are going to really, really enjoy the experience. Janvi, tell us, where are you going to travel next on Airbnb? Any of the icons that we revealed that excites you?
I really want to go to the Up House. Yeah, I mean, New Mexico was actually one of the first places I traveled to as a kid. I think I was only a couple of months old when Dad took us there for the shoot of his film Pukar. And that was the last time I went, and I haven't been since, so I've always wanted to go. And it's the Up House, of course I want to go.
Wow. Hopefully, we'll make that happen. But I know Janvi has a lot going on already, so I wish we make that happen really soon. And on that note, I'm going to actually open up the stage to all of you for questions. We'll unfortunately have to keep it really short because Janvi has like a really, really packed schedule. She has some amazing movies coming up, as we all know. So she has a lot going on. But yeah, we're going to open it up for some questions. Just introduce yourself and then you can go ahead.
Hello. Yeah. Hi, Janvi. I'm Tarini. You look absolutely gorgeous today.
Thank you, hi.
Since you've traveled the world so much and you've traveled a lot with your family, what is one destination you'd give to every Indian family that they should go and visit this summer?
Did you say this summer?
Yeah.
This summer, I don't know, because every place in the world is seeming like they're going through their own sort of weather, like hazardous weather turmoil. But one place that I would encourage everyone to go, and I think this is a very predictable answer coming from me, is Tirupati. Because it's just, I mean, I need to go once every couple of months to just center myself to, it just feels great. I feel like myself every time I go. I think it humbles you, it makes you feel calm, it makes you feel connected to something bigger than yourself. And I think for me, it also reminds me of my roots in many ways. So, and if not Tirupati, I think whichever place makes you feel like you're more connected to your roots. I think it's so important to know where you come from, what your ancestral heritage is. I think it, in a way, encourages you to get to know yourself better and therefore deal with the world in a calmer, healthier way. So yeah, that helps me, and I would encourage everyone else to hopefully adapt a similar outlook.
Hello. Hi. Hi, my name is Muskan.
Hi, Muskan. Oh, one of my best friend's names is Muskan.
Oh, that's so cute. I just want to know that in your house that we were just shown, do you think there will be some sort of spiritual connect, because we see you, being on this spiritual journey? So do you think we will feel those vibes when we are hopefully there? And any memory you have in that house?
100%. I think we've made a lot of great memories there, so I definitely think there's a very positive energy in the house. And so many times I've seen the most beautiful sunsets in that house. Like, I'm not lying, the sky, there's a gazebo, I don't know if they showed it to you in the video.
They did.
That overlooks the beach, and the sky has literally turned like blue and pink and purple so many times, and you just sit in that gazebo and it's beautiful. And I remember we've spent a lot of mom's birthdays there, my birthday, dad's birthday. In fact, towards the end of it, we couldn't really spend as much time there because we had to refurbish the house, and so mom was thinking of doing a lot of things. She wanted to make it a hotel, and she wanted to, and that's why I think the fact that Airbnb came into our lives was, I think it was always part of a plan. And then dad redid the whole house after she passed. And then we went back after a couple of years. And of course, we were all dealing with all of it still at that point. But I remember when we went back after Papa did up the whole house again, redid it, as an ode to mom, I remember he kept saying, I need to do it for her, I need to do it for her. And then when he did up the whole house, and I think we brought in his birthday then, it was the first time I think he tried celebrating his birthday after she passed. I have this vivid memory that after 2-3 years, it was the first time I saw my dad allowing himself to start enjoying himself again, or to like start feeling happy again. And I think that is one of my most vivid memories in this house as well, because I think I saw my dad trying to come back to himself a little bit after this tragedy. And I think all of the amazing memories that we've had in that house encouraged him and allowed him to do that. So yeah, I definitely think it's got a good energy.
Thank you for sharing that. Like, I feel so grateful you're sharing that with us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi. Hi, Janvi. Hi, Aman. Just a question, Aman, to you on the icons. So this year, how many icons are we going to see on the platform, especially coming from India? And the second is also about how do you incentivize partnerships with icons now? I just want to understand this from the perspective of a traveler again. Yeah,
So this is the first time we have launched this category. It's a new category, right? And to have India as part of the global launch in the first 11 icons is a big play for us. And I'm extremely excited, in terms of what we just shared. We will not have more to share as of now, but what I can say is there are a lot of surprises in offer. So stay tuned. As I said, these are some of the most extraordinary experiences by one of the greatest icons across multiple genres: sports, arts, cinema, it's music, etc. And so we have a lot in pipeline. So I will not comment if there is something coming from India very soon or not, but that's the beauty, right? Go download the app, go look at the icons section every week, and you will see what is coming on live. And what I can promise you is there'll be new icons that will be dropping onto the app frequently. And so there's a lot on offer. In terms of your second question, in terms of partnerships, right now our focus is on bringing unprecedented access to some of the things that people just have that in their imagination, right? So we are very open in terms of just looking at what speaks to the cultural conversation, what speaks to the audience, what are people really looking to experience, and making it real on Airbnb. So we'll not get into what collaborations, partnerships, or setups that we have, but what we know is that we want to create the most unprecedented experiences available in real life for community, the Airbnb community.
Hello.
हाय अमन, दिस इज़ एकता फ्रॉम जी बिजनेस. मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी कि अगर कोई ट्रैवलर, बिकॉज एवरीवन इज़ फैसिनेटेड बॉलीवुड से, अगर कोई ट्रैवलर बुक करना चाहता है तो उसको कितना महंगा पड़ेगा एक आइकन का घर बुक करना. एंड माय सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज़ टू जानवी. जानवी, एक इमेज होती है बॉलीवुड स्टार्स की दैट ये स्पिक एंड स्पैन बहुत सुंदर घरों में रहते हैं. And when a normal Indian has an access to a house like yours, so probably sometimes only out of sheer love and fandom, people would like to bring back knickknacks home, or it's also like,
Please don't steal anything from my house. Please don't.
no. So I was just about to elaborate, and also not just stars, people are also particular about I don't want to share my bedroom or a certain area of the room. तो क्या घर का कुछ हिस्सा लॉक होगा? एंड हाउ Airbnb इज इंश्योरिंग दैट ये फैंडम घर तक वापस ना जाए, या फिर घर गंदा ना हो या कुछ नुकसान ना पहुंचे?
देखो, मैं बहुत भरोसा करती हूँ अपने फैंस पर, आप सब पर, शायद ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा करती हूँ. एंड ऑनेस्टली मैं बहुत भरोसा करती हूँ Airbnb पर. आई थिंक इट्स बिन सो मेनी इयर्स. they're known for their credibility, their immaculate sense of keeping the hosts and the visitors happy. So that relationship of trust is there. And yeah, I think as far as it comes to letting people in, like I said before, I think we as a family for a very long time were always exploring the idea of sharing this property with people. And it just never fit before, but with Airbnb it did, because we've had great memories there, and it's the kind of space that we didn't feel like we needed to keep only to ourselves. It's a huge property, it's got a lot to offer, and हम सब मिल बांट कर खुशी खुशी साथ में रह सकते हैं ना. मैं भी जाती रहूँगी, आप भी आते रहो.
तो ऐसा भी कभी सरप्राइज मिलेगा फैन को कि उसने एयरबीएनबी बुक किया है और शायद जानवी भी उस समय रह
मैं
रही है,
किचन में अंडे पका रही हूँ.
या आप कंटिन्यू रखेंगी उस घर में, यू नो ट्रैवल कर रही हैं अगर आप चेन्नई उस घर में रहना, और इज इट लाइक एक्सक्लूसिवली नाउ फॉर एयरबीएनबी?
It's not.
It's not.
It's not.
It's
Yeah.
not exclusively with Airbnb. There's a deal that's been discussed and locked, but and we're all mutually happy with the
Yes.
agreement that we've come to. So,
So
yeah.
what we have on offer is a chance for, two groups of 2 people maximum to stay in the beautiful home and, being welcomed by Janvi and going through what all Prasida just shared. In terms of your previous question around pricing, right? The beauty of Airbnb as a platform is that there is an Airbnb at every price point. So whether you're looking for an affordable option in a city, or if you're looking for a lavish luxury penthouse or vacation rental home, anywhere in the world, we have it all on the platform. For Icon specifically, because we understand how important it is for normal people to experience something that has always been in their imagination, what we have done is we have priced all Icon homes under $100. In fact, this home is not available for any price. It's available for free. People have to apply to get access in terms of being a guest, and based on certain inputs, we would then decide, and they get a golden ticket. And we have 4,000 golden tickets for all Icons throughout this year. So many new Icons will drop. A lot of people will get access to these unprecedented homes at a very low price, or even $0. So it depends on each Icon, and the terms and conditions would be displayed on the Icon PDP listing when you see that. There will be a price in some, there will be free for some, there will be a mechanic that people will be able to read and then kind of access that particular listing. Yes.
Yeah, and I'm happy to share that the beautiful coastal home that we just saw, it's listed for 0 rupees. So it's a pleasure, like it's a opportunity for people to just go and enjoy and really live that moment. Like I said right at the beginning, we are making dreams come true, and this time with no price tag either. So yeah, it's going to be super, super exciting. I'm going to, on that note, wrap up this Q&A session. We're all going to be here, so if you have more questions, we can definitely catch up. I know Janvi has a lot lined up, so we're not going to keep her here for longer. But I can't thank you all enough for joining us. Janvi, I can't thank you enough for agreeing to be a part of our family. A very big special thank you to Mr. Kapoor as well, who has actually designed that home that you saw. I mean, we know how beautiful his movies are. Mr. India was always my favorite, but we also have now seen how fantastic he is with just making the homes look really nice. So really, really grateful to the entire Kapoor family for being so kind, so gracious, and partnering with us and being a part of this family. And on that note, I think we should pose for some pictures. Janvi, shall we?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Should we go ahead of the light is good? I think the lights, yeah.
कौन